Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'll be showing you how to change your team on your Instagram chat. So here I am on my phone, and then what I'm going to do now is head over to my Instagram app. Let's find an Instagram app. It's over here. As I could see, we're on our Instagram app. Click on the chat and click on the chat that you want to change your team of. So click on the name of the one you're chatting with, conversation, and as you can see, you can find the team option here. You can just choose whatever team that you want, and it's changed. It's that simple to change your team. This was Generation Unravel. I hope you liked this video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you did. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.